Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we learn about how to shut down your Linux system in a second through terminal. I hope you never seen before these tips. This method work any Linux distribution. So let's start. First open a terminal. Here I use a dark user, not rooted. Who am I? Here you can see dark, username is dark. So any user you can perform this task. So how to shut down easily and quickly? So let's try it. init init and space 0 and then hit enter. And if you want to reboot, replace this 0 to 1. Now reboot the system. So here I also how to shut down easily and type 0 and hit enter. Few of seconds that was completely shut down. So I hope like these tips. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video for more. Thanks for watching this video.